Everyone is talking about quitting their job because of AI. That's not the move. The real strategy is smarter. You don't quit your job, you outgrow it. This is the AI exit plan. Quit without quitting. Right now, most people rely on one income source. That's not stability, that's exposure. The goal isn't to escape your job overnight. It's to build a second income stream using AI. AI compresses time. What used to take months now takes weeks. What took weeks now takes hours. The nights and weekends aren't just time anymore, they're leverage. While others scroll, you build systems, skills, income streams. You can start with AI automation services, workflow optimization, simple consulting. Nothing complicated. Don't think about replacing your salary immediately. Think in stages. First, $100, then $1,000, then consistency. Once it starts working, it accelerates. Skills improve, systems improve, income grows. This is how you remove risk. You don't jump, you transition. Most people either do nothing or quit too early. Both are mistakes. The smart path is simple: build it, prove it, then exit. You're not trapped in your job. You're just early in the transition. When your income doesn't depend on one employer, everything changes. Don't quit your job, outgrow it. I hope you've been enjoying the series. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video when it comes out. Thanks for watching.